If you use particular body wash every night, okay, you're going to be noticing a visible result in a week. I'm not kidding. In a week, you're going to be seeing visible results on the surface of your skin. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and I would love you to subscribe because here we do all this related to skincare, feminine hygiene, everything that a girl needs to know. We talk about it on this channel, and also subscribing to this channel is absolutely free. So please support your girl by subscribing, okay? Thank you as you do that. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 products that will lighten or brighten up your skin depending on what you want to achieve and how you're going to be going about this particular routine. If you have lost your radiance, if you have lost your shine, if you were once fair and now you are darker because of maybe sun, stress, anything, okay, and you want to get back your glow, you want to get back your shine, then this particular routine is a routine that you should follow. If you want to glow before December, because December is around the corner, you don't have to start working on it maybe 2 weeks before December. Start now to work on your skin, okay? The particular routine is a routine that has been, tested and tried, okay, by me, of course, and I'm here to tell you the good reviews about this product. I'm going to tell you what the product does and how you're going to use it to achieve that good results that you're hoping to achieve. If this kind of video is a video that you're interested to watch, then sit back, get your journals and your pen ready because you have a lot to learn from this video. So when it comes to brightening your skin or lightening your skin, you're going to be needing a pre-cleansing bar soap, a bar soap that would help to pre-cleanse your skin, wash your skin so that your skin will be clean. And for bar soaps that will do this job and do it effectively, I would recommend a particular one from Dove. This is Dove Pampering bar soap that helps to get rid of dirt, oil and sweat on your skin. This bar soap smells amazing. It even help you to build a good body scent right from the shower. It smells so nice and it will get the job done. The one thing that people don't know is that when you are using your lightening or your brightening products, you go ahead and use it immediately without pre-cleansing your skin. That particular lightening product will now focus on getting rid of dirt, oil and sweat on your skin instead of lightening up your skin. So when you do this, you are on the right track, like you're on the track of getting your skin brightened or lightened the right way, because the dirt, the sweat, the germs have been cleansed off your skin, and now your skin pores are clean, ready to accept the lightening or the brightening product that will now come and do its job very well. Do you understand? It contains vanilla, which smells amazing. It contains coconut acid, which cleanses your skin gently without stripping your skin of essential oil. It also contains glycerin, which would help to lock in moisture. If you are using Dove bar soaps, you would know that one thing they have in common is that they are going to hydrate and lock in moisture onto your skin. After your Dove bar soap, the next you're going to be needing would have to be that particular ingredient or product that would help to lighten up your skin very well. And for that, I'm going to recommend the particular one from SK. This is SK Duchess Glow Shower Gel that comes in the variant Blood Orange Blossom. The particular one that is in Blood Orange Blossom helps to lighten up your skin so well. If you want to lighten up your skin, I would recommend that you go for the particular one and get the job done, okay? This one is a magic in a big bottle, because I will not say that it's a cute little bottle, okay? This is a big bottle. The particular one helps to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, give you a lighter shade of complexion. It contains Blood Orange Blossom extract that helps to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, get rid of dull skin and give you an even toned skin. It also contains hydrolyzed milk protein that helps to nourish your skin and give you a very soft looking skin. It contains citric acid that would also help to get rid of dead skin cell living on your skin, open up your pores, and then let the product now sink into your skin and do the job that it is being bought for to do. Do you understand? If you use particular body wash every night, okay, you're going to be noticing a visible result in a week. I'm not kidding. In a week, you're going to be seeing visible results on the surface of your skin. This is a body wash that you don't have to use in the morning. Please do not use particular body wash in the morning. Only use it at night, and you're going to get the result that you're hoping to get. You cannot glow without exfoliating your skin properly. You cannot glow without getting your skin exfoliated at least 2 times in a week, okay? And for that, you're going to be needing the particular scrub from Dr. Teals. This is Dr. Teals Shea Sugar Scrub that contains vitamin C with essential oils. It contains shea butter that that would help to nourish your skin. It contains orange oil that will help to brighten up your skin. It contains avocado oil that also helps to nourish your skin. This body scrub also contains evening primrose oil, and you know what evening primrose does to the skin? It will help to give you a smooth silk skin that would, you know, be off blemishes. This is what it does. And please do not use a particular body scrub on your face. Do not use Dr. Teals sugar scrub on your face. It is only meant for your body and body alone. And you're going to exfoliate just 2 times in a week. Choose Tuesday night and maybe Saturday night. Give gap so that your dead skin cell can come back, and then you not exfoliate them again. Over exfoliation will actually lead to micro tears, micro cuts that you will not want to have, okay? But if you exfoliate your skin so well, you're going to be getting the benefits of using all these products in this routine. I have a detailed video where I talked about how to exfoliate your skin, so you might want to watch that. I will leave the link pinned in the comment section. For body lotions, I will recommend that you get the particular one from E45. This lotion is suitable for dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, any skin that you have. You can use particular body lotion. This is it. Okay, this particular one, it moisturizes your skin very well. It helps to get rid of dry skin, reduces redness, scaling, and flaking. Okay, it is suitable for those that have eczema. If your skin is eczema prone, you can also get the particular body lotion and incorporate it into your routine while brightening up your skin. This is a lotion that you can use in the morning and you can use it at night. So if you're going to have your shower in the morning, you can use this. If you're going to have a shower at night, you can also use this. It contains lanolin that helps to deeply moisturize your skin, and also hydroxyl cellulose that also helps to smoothen your skin and give you that moisture. One thing I like about this body lotion is that it moisturizes your skin. It penetrates deep. As long as your skin pores are open, it will go deep and moisturize your skin for you. So the last but not the least, you're going to be sealing in the ingredients or the properties that you got from the body lotion using a body oil. And for body oils, I will recommend a particular one from Skeen Point. This is Skeen Point Glow-booster lightening oil that helps to lighten up your skin. I lost my radiance when I went to NYSC camp, and this particular oil was one of the magic that restored my skin to what you are seeing now on the screen. This oil is potent, it is powerful, it does the job. It helps to visibly reduce dark spots, repair skin damage, even out uneven skin tone, and also give you a radiant complexion. This oil is a magic in a bottle. This particular oil contains almond oil that would help to lock in moisture. It contains licorice extract that actually helps to get rid of dark spots, uneven skin tone, and give you a same skin tone. That is the work of licorice extract. It also contains glutathione that would help to give you a brighter, lighter looking skin. Glutathione is a powerful ingredient that helps to lighten up someone's skin. It contains vitamin E extract that also helps to nourish your skin and give you a healthy looking skin. There are kind of oils that you would use, you will notice that your skin will dry out in no time, but this, because of the ingredient it contains, it does not dry out quickly. So if you're going to use this routine at night, you're going to use it the way I just mentioned it. After your Dove bar soap, you're going to go in with the SK body wash. After your SK body wash, you're going to go in with your body lotion, and then finally this body oil. And on the days that you're going to exfoliate your skin, you would simply add your scrub. But when it comes to your morning body care routine, using this particular routine to brighten up your skin, you're only going to be needing 2 things in that routine. And the 2 things you're going to be needing will have to be the Dove bar soap and the E45 body lotion. You use this to have your morning shower and use this to also moisturize your skin in the morning. Do not use other products in the morning, please. These are the only 2 body care products you're going to be needing in this routine for your morning body care routine, okay? Other products are going to be used at night so that you will see effective results. Once you follow these steps and follow the instructions I just gave in this video, in 2 weeks you're going to be having a visibly brighter looking skin, and you're going to come back in the comment section to give me my thank you, okay? And there you have it, my loves. If you enjoyed watching this video, I enjoyed making it for you, okay? And also remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel because it helps me to grow. Like, share, comment, and also turn the notification bell so that I'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Here we do amazing things, and I just recently restocked on my skincare products, and I'm currently creating skincare routines and body care routines that would help to give you that skin that you are looking for. So you might want to stay subscribed to this channel because I would not want you to miss out on any tip that I'm going to give this period. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.